Your leader on 28 lap pace. Brian's in second on 28 lap paces. 7 seconds that separate first and second place. Alrighty, there's your leader on 27 lap pace.
By the time you get that, it's by then, so 12 all. 14-3.
It's just the software that keeps it'll bracket everything together right here. Like for the green, it tells you who's battling for first and second, then it brackets it in red. Tells you who's battling for third and fourth. It gives you your fastest lap times over here. And it also keeps track of your average lap times and the pace of each person. And it tells you how much time in the race has actually been run and how much in the race is actually left.